Hello students, welcome to the Khan Academy. My name is Surendra. See the continuation of per unit system analysis in power system subject. Okay, in the last video I already given some introduction to the per unit system analysis. Then I explained what is the necessity of per unit system. Then what is the definition of per unit value. Continuation of this. Now in this video I want to explain what is the per unit representation of various electrical parameters. That means how to represent various electrical parameters in per unit. Then one more topic continuation of this video is how to convert from one base to another base. For a given system, if any current values are given in one base, the same current values how to convert into another base. These two topics I want to discuss. Then continuation of in the sequence of videos, remaining topics also I will cover. I told already, with respect to per unit system analysis, I want to explain what the per unit analysis of three-phase system, what the per unit impedance or reactance of the transformer, then what are the corresponding to this, I want to solve some numerical examples. I told already, these numerical examples includes previous gate, ESC and PSU questions also. In this concept, with respect to per unit system analysis concept, the last topic I want to discuss is per unit impedance or reactance diagrams and then how to solve the some models of the problems. Clear? Now in this video I am starting this topic, what the per unit representation of electrical parameters. Yes, what is the definition of per unit value already given. One more time I am giving this formula how to define per unit value. Can you tell me? The per unit value equal to, what is the definition? What is the formula for per unit value? That is the actual value of the quantity. That is actual quantity by, what do you write? Reference quantity or base quantity. That is the actual value by base value. Okay. In the previous video I given generally in a power system which values are selected as a base values. Generally the base values are given as voltage and apparent power. Clear? One more point also I told, if the base value is not mentioned for a given system equipment, which is the higher rating is there, that higher rating is selected as a base value. All these points are already given in the previous video. Now in this video, now we will start how to represent the various electrical parameters in per unit. Now see how so many electrical parameters are there. The first one is how to write per unit voltage. The per unit voltage is V per unit, denoted by V per unit. For per unit representation in subscription we can use per unit. But in the case of base representation we can use the B letter, small b letter, you can directly you can write V base like that. Okay, but here I am writing V per unit. What is the fundamental formula for per unit value? Actual value by base value. That is how to write V actual by V base. This is the voltage per unit. That is the per unit voltage. Clear? Then one more parameter. Can you tell me how to write I per unit? That is the current in per unit. I per unit. I per unit is written as I actual by I base. But generally base current is directly is not given. Then we can calculate indirectly. Then how to write I base? I told already, per unit, that is base apparent power. To calculate per unit current, I actual by I base. But directly you don't know about I base, then go for the per unit go for the apparent power. What is the apparent power? SB equal to voltage into current, V base into I base. But I want I base. What is I base, you tell me? I base equal to SB by VB. That is apparent power. This apparent power is in terms of units also you write volt ampere base by V base. What are the units of apparent power? Apparent power is nothing product of voltage and current. Voltage into current. That's why that is volt ampere base. Then you substitute here. Then what we get? I actual by, what is I base? SB by VB. Then I actual into V base by S base. Here, this is the per unit representation of which one? Current. This formula mainly concentrate. Clear? Now tell me, how to write per unit resistance? How to write per unit resistance? The per unit resistance is nothing but whatever may be the parameter, take the actual value, base value. That is the per unit representation. R actual by, if you write like this, R base, this is absolutely wrong. I told already. Why? Even though it is a resistance, we don't have any base resistance. In the calculation of resistance per unit resistance, always you take the R actual by, don't take resistance base, take the impedance base. RA by ZB. Clear? Then how to calculate this ZB, that you know. How to calculate, you tell me ZB, where ZB equal to V base by I base. How to calculate I base, you already know. Substitute here, then you can get the Z base in terms of the known values. Generally, in a power system, the known base values are S base and V base. That point you remember. Then from that known base values, remaining per unit values or base values we can calculate. Clear? Next, tell me, one more electrical parameter I want to represent in per unit. Then what is the per unit active power? Per unit active power. Tell me how to write per unit active power. The per unit active power equal to actual power by base power. This is absolutely wrong. Don't write like this. I told already. In the power, don't take the actual power is the base. Always you take the which power is base? Apparent power is the base. That you write actual power by apparent power base, SB. This is the correct. Similarly, you tell me what is the per unit reactive power. Per unit reactive power. The per unit reactive power is, how to write? Actual reactive power by then base power. Base power is not a reactive power here. Always you take which power? Apparent power. Clear? Concentrate remaining parameters also. Hello? See the sixth one is, I want to write per unit impedance. This is very important formula to solve the problems. In the solving of the problems in per unit system, this is very important formula. How to write Z per unit? Z per unit is, the fundamental formula is Z actual by Z base. Z actual by Z base. But I don't know directly what is the Z base. Then first we calculate Z base. How to write Z base? As V base by I base. V base by I base. Then I don't know I base directly. Then how to write I base? SB by VB. Then how to write this one? That is VB square by SB. Clear? Now substitute this Z base here. Then we get the formula for Z per unit. Then Z per unit equal to Z actual by. Clear? Then what is Z base? VB square by SB. Then Z actual impedance, Z actual into, that is SB by VB square. Very important 5-star formula in the solving of Fourier system problems. Very important. Students, concentrate this. Clear? Z per unit equal to Z actual into SB by V square. But I told already, this formula you also write like this. Z per unit equal to Z actual impedance into, what are the units of apparent power? Volt ampere. That is volt ampere. VA base. But like this also you write. Same formula I am writing in terms of units. Here this is important formula. Okay, here I am writing volt ampere and base voltage. The same formula for higher rating electrical machines. For higher rating you want to write. Higher rating electrical machines are represented in mega or kilo. For example, kilo, that is a kVA rating, kilovolt ampere rating, MVA rating, megavolt ampere rating. Like that also. If you want to write same formula for higher rating machines, for higher rating, you are writing higher rating means take the values of higher. Then I want to convert into higher. For that what you can do means, listen please. Z per unit equal to, that is Z actual into volt ampere base, VA base by VB square. Just for modification of this formula, I am multiplying with 10 power 6 and dividing with 10 power 6. This is 10 power 6 by 10 power 6. Just one more formula I am writing for larger rating. That's why I am doing this one. Just small modifications I am doing, dividing and multiplying with 10 power 6. Now tell the students how to write this one. Listen please. Z per unit equal to, per unit impedance equal to, that is Z actual into VAB into 10 power 6. 10 power 6 is nothing but a mega. That's why I am replacing these two combination with MVA, base MVA base by, students listen please, this 10 power 6 I am bringing into the square. Then how you can write? 10 cube into VP whole square. This is correct. Then what is Z per unit for higher rating? Z per unit equal to Z actual into base MVA, that is MVA base by this 10 cube is nothing but a kilo, that is kVB whole square, kilovolts. Voltage in kilo and power in mega. With this assumption, I am writing this formula. This very important. Directly you can use in some problems. This formula you can use directly. That's why I am writing in terms of mega and kilo. But in terms of volt ampere and base voltage, these formulas both are same. Only difference is this volt ampere is given in mega, voltage is given in kilovolts. But here directly volt ampere and voltage only. That is the only difference. Clear? Understand? One more parameter. Listen please. One more parameter. I am writing the sixth one is Z per unit. The seventh parameter is, this is also important during solving of the problems. Instead of impedance, I am writing for reactance. Now tell the students, X per unit equal to actual reactance by, reactance per unit equal to actual reactance by, then which you take? Don't take a base reactance. If you write like this is absolutely wrong. Wherever you are representing per unit, that is ohm is converted into per unit, always you take the, which is the base? Impedance is the base. This point you remember. Then what is the X actual by Z base? This is correct. What is the Z base? I already calculated. VB square by SB. that is X actual by VB square by SB. Now tell the students, X per unit equal to X actual by VB square X actual into SB by VB square. Clear? This SB is nothing but volt ampere. That is X actual into, that is volt ampere base, VA base by VB square. This is the per unit reactance. Similar to impedance, the only replace Z by X. Replace Z by X. This is for small rating. Similarly, for the same derivation I am using, then similarly, how to write for higher rating? For higher rating, note down point here, for higher rating. Yes, for higher rating, X per unit equal to X actual into MVA base. That is the base MVA by voltage in kilovolts base. Very important formula. Students, concentrate during solving of the problems in current representation. Clear? Okay, like this, we can represent various electrical parameters in per unit. Clear? Understand? In this, mainly in the total explanation, mainly concentrate these two formulas. How to write per unit impedance, how to write per unit reactance. No need to remember these two formulas separately. Just remember this one. Replace Z by X, then we can get in per unit reactance. Here, this is about per unit representation of various electrical parameters. Here. Now, one more topic I want to discuss, that is very important topic. How to convert per unit system from one base to another base. Conversion from one base to another base. Is okay? Clear? Now see. After listening this concept, please